everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you are new here, my name is YAA.LIA and thank you so much for joining me. So I am really excited about today's video. I have the bronzers from Fenty's new launch here. So this video is going to be in two parts. So yeah, I'm going to review the bronzers first. The second part of it is going to be the full face one. So we're just going to talk about the bronzer. I have two here that I picked up. So I got one full size and then one mini size. So I have the CoCo Naughty and Caramel Cutie. CoCo Naughty looks like this. Okay, so this is the second to last shade. So this is what Caramel Cutie looks like. Here's what they look side by side together. Looking at the shade, I think CoCo Naughty is probably more suited. I'm not sure. This looks, in real life, this looks slightly muddy on my skin tone. I'm definitely going to try CoCo Naughty for you. The reason why I didn't pick up Coco Mami is because the current bronzer that I use, even though it's not a bronzer, it's just a powder, but it's got that red undertone. So I used the Revolution Matte Base powder in the shade P17, which looks like this. It's very red in color. So when I saw how red and how deep Coco Mami was, and because I already used this, I felt I don't need, this is not my shade, but right now is what works for me as a bronzer. Also in the past, the one that I've used is the Rimmel Bronze Natural in the shade 25 Sun Glow. So this is what it looks like. Again, I'm going to try and compare it with CoCo Naughty. So, but this has shimmer and this leaves me so oily. But we're going to try CoCo Naughty first and see what that looks like. I think I'm going to use this angle brush here because it's probably a bit easier. I'm going to go in very light-handed. I'm going to do that. I probably wouldn't see that much on my forehead because my forehead has already got that natural shadow there. So I'm just going to apply that. If you can see how much I picked up on the brush, and literally there is no kickback whatsoever around the pan. So I really love this formula so far. It feels very soft, extremely soft on the skin, which is lovely. I can see it warming up my face actually. It's pulling a little bit red, which I don't mind it so much. Okay, just going on this side. Can you see how much my face is warmed up? It's there, but it's very subtle. Right, I'm going to contour my nose. So I'm going to just blend into my eyebrows. Right, I'm not going to swatch Caramel Cutie because I think that's going to be too light. It looks almost like my skin tone. I really want to put a bit of this on here. Just a bit. Can you see how red that is? Yeah, no, I think I've ruined it. Okay, I'm glad I did that because I'm definitely not going to pick up Mocha Mami. But now that I put on CoCo Naughty and I put on this bit here, no. Now that I'm looking at myself more, I can see it there. It's very subtle, which I absolutely love, but it's there. Right, so I'm going to go in for blusher. I'm going to use the matte side of my Kilowatt. So I have the Ginger Binge and Muscamule just to camouflage that red mess that I just created. I'm glad I have something of a pink blusher. Oh, that'll teach me. Okay. Hi guys, so I am back. I don't know where I left off. What do I think overall of the bronzer? I am not sure about it. However, I do not like, I don't hate what I'm seeing, I should say. Every time I get a glimpse of myself in the mirror, I'm like, ooh, I look good. But in my mind, I have this vision of an orange. I don't know, but I think because for years I've used this type of bronzer, you know, the one with the orangey type of warmth. I'm used to that, and that's the kind of color or warmth that I expect to see. But then actually when I look at myself, I'm like, I can see it, this looks good on me. I love the formula. I think they probably could do with a few more shades in between this one and Mocha Mami and maybe one after that, I don't know. But right now I think this works for me. On my skin tone it works. You can't really see much of it on my forehead, or maybe I'm lying, but you can see it on my cheekbone. I am thinking of doing a giveaway because I cannot be bothered to return this. So this came with the mini matchstick. I already have this this shade, the cinnamon shade. So I figured I might do a giveaway, not in this video, in my next one, so make sure you're subscribed. I'm just gonna end this video here because this was just about the bronzer. However, if you want to see how I achieved this look using all products from Fenty, which is going to be my next upload, probably tomorrow, in the next couple of days. So again, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to talk more about the giveaway if you're interested in winning the caramel cutie, which is actually very cute. It comes in this little cute packaging. If you're interested, I'm gonna do that in the next upload. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.